Okay, this is problem number 50 of GATE 2018. 0 1 ampere moving iron ammeter has an internal resistance 50 milli ohm and inductance of 0.1 millihenry. So, a shunt coil is connected to extend the range to 0 to 10 ampere for all operating frequency. The time constant in millisecond and resistance in milliohm of the shunt coil are. Okay. So what is the connection of ammeter? We have a resistance and there is internal inductance is there. So this is actually Rm and this is say Lm, and current flowing through this is Im, and it is shunted with shunt coil of say resistance Rsh, and say there is an inductor ALSH. Okay. Now the current flowing through this is ISH and the total current is I. So this is the connection of ammeter, and it is given that the 0 to 1 moving iron ammeter. So this is the previous ammeter, and it is this is the ammeter, and this shunt is connected to extend its rating. So the IM is the maximum value of the range, so this is 1, and Rm is given as 50 milli, and Lm is given as 0.1 millihenry. Okay, and what we have, the range, the extended range is 0 to 10 ampere. So total current I is equals to 10. Okay, and okay, this is the thing. Now we have to know the time constant and resistance in shunt coil. Okay, now we have, if you recall the previous tutorial, what we have RSH is equals to Rm divided by m minus 1, where m is equals to I by Im. Okay, so I means 10 divided by 1, and that is equals to 10. Okay, now so RSH is equals to Rm means 50 milli divided by 10 minus 1 is equals to 9, and that is equals to 5.55 milli ohm. Okay, now I have to know the time constant, right? Now we know that for a RL as a series circuit, we have time constant tau equals to L by R. Okay, now we have to determine the time constant of shunt current. So this will be Ls by R, LSH divided by RSH. Okay, now we have omega Lm divided by Rm is equals to omega LSH divided by RSH, right? Now if I just cancel out the omega, we have LSH divided by RSH is equals to Lm divided by Rm. Lm is 0.1 and divided by 50. Both have milli, so we don't need to write the 10 to the power minus 3, and that is equals to 2 millisecond. So this the time constant is 2 millisecond and the resistance of the shunt wire is 5.55. So correct option will be option A.